Good morning, students. This is video for RVL Public School. In previous video, we have learned subject and predicate. Now we are going to learn kinds of object. We know very well that subject is noun or pronoun and the predicate is last part of the sentence. So in the predicate we have object. Kinds of object. Objects are two kinds: direct object and indirect object. Direct object is the thing that a person receives, and indirect object is the person will receive that thing. We can say that non-living things are the direct objects and living things are the indirect objects. Let's see the examples. Mother gave me 10 rupees before leaving for work. Here me is indirect object and 10 rupees direct object. We know me living and 10 rupees non-living. Next example, Anil brought his mother a sari. His mother indirect object and sari direct object. His mother living and sari non-living. Next, they presented us toys and clothes. Us indirect object, toys and clothes direct object. It is to be kept in mind that subject and the object both can be one word or more than that. It is not necessary that subject is only one word. They may be two or another. Let's see the example. Anita, Meena and Saroj went to teach student in the school. So, Anita, Meena and Saroj are the three persons. But all of those are our subject. Let's see the example. The fire killed animals, birds and insects in the forest. Animals, birds and insects are three things, but they are objects. Trees and plants give us oxygen to breathe in. Trees and plants both are subject. Next example, the city gave me food and shelter to live. Food and shelter, direct object. Because here we see indirect object. In this sentence, me, indirect object, food and shelter, direct object, because they are non-living things. Parvez lent me and Rizwan his car. Me and Rizwan living, so they are indirect object. Let's revise. We can see here some exercise for work. Develop the following subject into sentences by adding suitable predicate. Here we can use any predicates. So I use this. You can use any predicate. B. Find out the subject and the object in the following sentence. We know subject, noun or pronoun, and object in the predicate. A sentence has at least one subject and one object to complete its meaning. First, Prisa delivered her speech very well. Here, Prisa is subject and her speech is object. Next, the farmer killed a snake in the field. The farmer subject and a snake is object. Papa advised me to be honest and sincere in work. Papa subject and me is object. Does God help a sincere and truthful person? God subject, a sincere and truthful person is object. When do you do your home assignment? You subject and home assignment is object. Let's see in exercise. Encircle the object in the following sentence and point out whether they are direct or indirect. I have told you that non-living things are direct object and living thing indirect object. So Daniel gave his sister a surprise gift. His sister is living, so this is indirect object and surprise gift direct object. Pritam sent Sanu a check. Sanu indirect object and check direct object.